Greetings from great used auto sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Vehicle has the LT package with a large panoramic roof, really in beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice, really nice shape. Okay, let's take a close look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in amazing condition, looks super clean. Really nice condition, look at that. Outstanding shape. Take a look at the headlamp here. On the passenger side, beautiful condition. Lower light, also in beautiful shape. Grill's in beautiful condition. Take a look at the lower light, also in beautiful shape. Upper light's in beautiful condition. Hood's in beautiful shape all the way through. Looks amazing. Really nice. Really nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Amazing shape. No marks or dents on it. Looks super clean. Beautiful condition. Driver door's in amazing shape. Super clean throughout. No marks or dents on it. Looks super clean. Rear door on the driver's side looks amazing. Beautiful condition throughout. Take a look at the quarter panel here on the driver's side. Really amazing shape. Looks beautiful throughout. Walking around the rear here, beautiful condition. Rear hatch is in beautiful shape, look at that. Beautiful condition throughout, LT package. Take a look at the rear bumper, also in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Okay, walking on the side, on the passenger side quarter panel, beautiful shape throughout, no marks or scratches on it. Rear door on the passenger side, really an amazing shape. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Front fender, beautiful shape here on the passenger side, very nice. All right, take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful shape, no chips, no marks on it, looks super nice. Let's take a look at the roof. Got those roof rails up there, very nice. Chrome accents with the gray accents, it's really nice. Large panoramic roof on top, beautiful. Really outstanding shape. Clean throughout. Beautiful condition. All right, that's pretty much our walk around this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. All right, we'll take a look at the driver door panel on the driver's side. In the front, beautiful condition. Look at that. Really outstanding shape. Take a look at the armrest. All the controls look beautiful. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in amazing condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape throughout. Manual seat, but still in good shape. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, amazing condition. Look at that, looks brand new. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. In the front, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Very nice shape, armrest is in good condition. Take a look at the controls, beautiful shape. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Very nice. Let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Looks amazing, super clean throughout. Very nice shape. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel look amazing. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear. Driver's side door panel in amazing condition. Take a look at the armrest, beautiful shape there, very nice. Take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats are in amazing condition, look at that. Beautiful shape throughout. Full set of floor mats, very nice. Take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Really amazing condition. Super nice. Taking a quick look at the glass roof here from the rear. Driver's side, beautiful. Look at that. Really nice. Amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Looks very nice. Clean throughout. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the armrest there. Very nice. Take a look at the rear seats. Also in beautiful shape. Looks super clean throughout. Really nice condition. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Gonna go ahead and start it up. Let's show you the key fob. Lock, unlock, remote start, and panic button. Original GM key. We're gonna set it down here in the cup holder. And we're gonna go ahead and press the start button right here. Press the brake. Push the button. Started right up. Perfect. Very nice. Has a beautiful display here. All right, let's take a look at the cluster here. Let's look at the miles. Miles are 15,801 miles. Super nice. It shows you the compass there on the top left. Shows you the distance for the vehicle in front of us when you're driving, temperature, mileage, miles till empty, and fuel. And we're sitting in park right now, okay? So I'm gonna accelerate right now if you could see the RPMs. Look at that, that is so nice, really cool. So it does have heated steering wheel here on the steering wheel. So we turn that on. The collision alert is right here. So let's set up the gap for it. Right now it has the gap is the closest. So right there we have it set up further away. Cruise control right here. And also this is the information center here for the radio, change the stations and stuff like that. Over here in the back you have your switches here for the volume and for the different settings of the radio. Super nice. There's something else I just found here. When you press this button here, you can select the gauge display you'd like. So you just hold that button down, give it a second, and then this is a really cool gauge I found here. You just click that there. Look at that. That is so cool. That's the miles per hour right there. That's really nice. And if you hold it down again, you can select gauge number 2, which is like that. And we'll put it back on the one we just had, which is number 1. That is super cool. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the other features on this. So we have automatic lights, super nice. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. On the steering wheel, we showed you the controls for the cruise control, for the heated steering wheel, and for the collision alert. On the other side, this is for the information center. Speak your commands, and for the Bluetooth. Steering wheel's leather wrapped, looks really nice. Really beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Looks amazing. Really nice condition. Take a look at the center here. That's the information center there with the radio and everything. Let's take a look down here for the AC controls. We have heated seats on both sides. It's got 3 settings for the heated seats. That's super nice. Down below here you have your USB plugs, your power plug there if you need that. A little bit of storage space down there. You have your buttons here for the traction control, the lane alert, the sport setting, snow setting, and the on and off bypass for the engine. Automatic transmission, parking brake release, cup holders, little storage space there. Storage space here in your center console. Very nice. Up above here you have your mirror with your OnStar buttons, your passenger side airbag light lets you know when it's on, controls for the moonroof. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. Let's open up the shade first. Super nice. Look at that. Now this one's all the way back to the rear seats. Look at that. That is super nice for your rear passengers. They can enjoy that. And then we're going to go ahead and do the roof. Roof pops back all the way. Super nice. A little bit more further. There you go. You have your sunroof open here in the front, and everybody has the glass back there. That's so nice. Let's go ahead and close it. All right, now let's bring over the shade. That is so nice. Look at that. Okay, amazing. Let's take a look at the visors real quick. You have one visor here, one here. Very nice. It's got a little bit of damage here on the liner. Besides that, it looks amazing. Take a look at the rest of the liner. Beautiful shape. Really nice condition overall. Little creases here on this side also. Besides that, looks amazing. All right, dashboard steering wheel is brand new. Really in beautiful shape. Let's take a closer look here at the information center and the radio. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Right now it's on the radio stations. So we'll click here and it can take us to the sources. So you have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, and add a device. So it has Bluetooth. You could put that on there. So we'll go back to home again. There's the home screen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We got the settings, the Wi-Fi settings. This for the vehicle. We're going to go right now to the vehicle settings here. Show you that. Right now we're looking at your trip computer. Then you have gauges. Shows you the coolant temperature, the battery voltage. That's nice to have. Maintenance, tire pressure sensors, oil life. That's nice. Go back here again. If you had your phone connected, you'll be able to see it there. That's the radio settings again. We'll go back again here. We'll go back to FM here. That's where we're at. And it shows you the little memories down there. So we're going to go back to the home page again, and we're going to go to settings. Okay, I always like looking at the safety of the vehicle, so let's go down to safety. Where's that at? Here we go. All the settings are in there. Here you go, vehicle. Right in the center. It's got your teen driver. It's got your rear seat reminder, collision detection, and comfort and convenience. So we're going to click on collision detection. Okay, so it has automatic emergency braking, alert and brake, front pedestrian braking and alert, lane change alert, parking assist, rear parking assist symbol with camera, and rear cross traffic. That's nice. Has a lot of features, a lot of safety features there. That's nice. You can go here to apps. Shows you the audio apps, the phone apps, and the OnStar apps. All right, that's pretty much it on this one. I mean, we took a look at everything. Everything's in beautiful condition. Now we'll take some pictures, and we'll come back and take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. We're going to take this one for a little test drive here. We already have it in gear. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin. Super nice. Look at that. Beautiful display. Really nice. All right, we're checking the stop here. Stop's perfect. What a nice drive. Super smooth. Feels nice on the road. Really nice displays there. Shows you the miles per hour. Quick pickup. Drives amazing. Brakes feel good. Super nice drive. Got another stop coming up here. Stops really nice. Look at that. Feels good. Very quick. Okay, next step, we're going to go ahead and find ourselves a little parking spot. Check out the backup camera. Really nice, quick pickup. Look at this. Look how quick this thing is. Drives super nice. Okay, we got another stop sign here coming up. So nice. We're going to find a little spot here to check out our backup camera, and then we'll conclude our little test drive here. Okay. A little spot here. Okay, put it in reverse. There we go. Beautiful backup camera there. You can see there, I turn the steering wheel, those little lines move depending on which way you're going back, which is super nice. We just picked a spot right here. We're backing right up. And it's centered. And we're going back. Here we go. Fantastic. And then this one's great. It has parking sensors in the back. So we have a little triangle that shows up there. And then right on the screen here, it shows you what sensor we're getting close on. So I'm going to try to go back a little bit more. This one does have brake actually, so if you get too close to it, it'll brake automatically for you don't hit anything. So right there, look, you can see the two sensors on the right are showing. It's just a couple bushes back there. So I guess the distance of the bushes, the ones on the right are closer. That's pretty much it. So that concludes our test drive on this one. After you're done, you put it back in park. Radio goes back to normal. Super nice. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment, the cargo area, and all the tires. We'll be right back. All right, let's take a look at the cargo area in the back. Cargo area is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Rug looks brand new back here. It's got little pockets here on the side for storage. Super nice. Beneath that, it's got a large storage space on here with the spare tire and all the tools below. Super nice condition. Very nice shape. Okay, we're looking at the engine compartment on this one. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Looks all original. Beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. Really beautiful shape. All right, take a look up here. Emission sticker. Very nice. Really outstanding condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire here. Front tire on the driver's side, amazing condition. Rim is clean and in good shape. Does have some scratches here on the edges. Besides that, looks very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side. Tire looks amazing. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look. Very nice condition. Not a mark on it. Looks beautiful. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side. Amazing condition. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Take a look at the rim. Super nice condition. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the passenger side, tire looks amazing. Good amount of tread on there. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in great shape. Very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great used auto sales.com. Thanks for watching.